The Harmony Express.
This is our first time on the Harmony Express. Third day.
That must be the lower GS. The GS comes over here too. That's the lower GS run over there.
Yeah.
That was that narrow one that we took the first
Yeah.
day, but we had to end up going back because this lift was closed.
This lift goes up beyond that.
Yep.
Oh, this is going to be fun.
Well, we hope. Boomer Bowl, gun barrel.
Oh, jeez. That's it, baby.
Did say experts only.
I knew that. Uh-oh,
Look,
hung
look
in my
over there.
shoe.
Look.
Ooh, I think I remember. No, that's not.
Look at that.
Look, yeah.
Ooh.
Wow, we haven't even seen that before. Look at those people.
It's
really
not
in-
groomed.
There's a run over the other side of that ridge.
Oh, this is that bowl you were talking about.
We're going up into the clouds. Look, it
Look at that
disappears.
run coming down there.
Oh, I see that.
Oh, that almost looks
Beautiful.
like Italy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It does. Look at
It
this.
does.
This is fabulous.
Yeah, we're
Hey,
going.
if John wants a little deep snow, you just go off and go. Look at that guy skiing ready to come back home. He wants to. There you
I'm
go.
glad I got that. I'm kidding all that.
No, you're going to do it right.
Okay, what about a science lesson? Then I can turn it off. All right.
Bruce is going to ski the deep powder. Man, is that not beautiful?
That is beautiful. That looks exactly like